Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64 scale Mercedes-Maybach S-Class W223 by ARBox from Almost Real Models. The box looks really upscale and it also has the Daimler AG licensing hologram sticker on it. It also includes this card here, and I've tried scanning the QR code, but the website had a hard time opening up. Now moving on to the car, which looks really elegant in this obsidian black color. There are some details of the car printed on the base, and this is a limited edition model, and this is car number 331 out of 1000. The front looks really nice and the headlights are really well detailed, but the grille does not have the Maybach logo or the radar for the cruise control. There's also the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class license plate, which looks really nice. The hood ornament is a photo etched part, and the line on the center of the bonnet looks really nice. Now moving on to the side, we have these chrome wheels which are really shiny, and I'll show it to you now, and you can see that it basically becomes a mirror. There's the Mercedes logo on the center cap of the wheel, which is a decal. The V12 and the Maybach logos are also decals but still look good. Now moving on to the back, the tail lamps look really nice, and all the logos here are again decals but still look good. There's the same Mercedes-Maybach S-Class license plate here as seen on the front. There's also the sunroof, which looks really nice. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard looks really nice and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster. The steering wheel also looks nice, but it does not have the Mercedes logo in the center. You can also see the paint sparkling in the light. Now moving on to the back seats, the center console is really well detailed and you can also see the screen on the back side of the front seats. The seats themselves are really well detailed, and this is how they look like from the back. You can also see that the seats have an upholstery design on them. The door cards are also really well detailed. Now moving on to the dashboard, you can see that the AC vents are also really well detailed. The infotainment screen also looks really nice. This is how the top of the dashboard looks like. The wipers are not separate and are mounted in with the windshield but still look good. And this is how the interior looks like through the sunroof. The mirrors have chrome inserts in them and they reflect really well. But the IRVM does not have any chrome insert. So here's the car out of its base, and the base plate is stuck to the car and it looks really nice. So here's the undercarriage of the car and it is really well detailed. There's silver paint only on the exhaust tips. Both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.